Yo, what up, squad? All right, now, looking at the two gameplay footage that I have right up here on the screen, man, I need you guys to do me a favor. Out of these three consoles right here, I got the OG PS5, the PS5 Slim, as well as the PS5 Pro. Can you tell which footage is paired to which console? Now I'm going to give you guys 10 seconds to analyze it, look at it, all of that you need to do, pinch the zoom, whatever you got to do to figure it out. Let's figure it out, man. Is the PS5 Pro the left footage and the PS5 Slim the right footage, or is the PS5 Slim the left footage and the PS5 Pro the right footage? Let me know, man. Let's discuss. All right, so now that y'all have some fun with that, man, all right, now I'm going to be checking y'all comments here and just replying and seeing who got it right and who was wrong, man. But either way, it's about that time, y'all, that we finally put the PS5 Pro here up against the OG PS5 as well as the PS5 Slim. I will say this, in this video right here, we're really only going to be doing side by side of the PS5 Pro up against the PS5 Slim here, because the OG PS5 and the PS5 Slim is literally pretty much the same thing as far as hardware and software. So no big changes there as far as the gameplay and footage and all of that. But I was like, instead of me actually telling you guys which one is which and throwing up the clips here on the screen, and then you guys can pinch the zoom, compare it, and you're judging it and all of that, I was like, you know what? Let's have some fun with it, man. Let's just do exactly like we did in the beginning of this video, man, with each clip of different games that I put up here on the screen. And I want you guys to go ahead and comment down in the comment section below, which console do you guys think the footage came from? Is it the PS5 Pro or the PS5 Slim? Then we're gonna go ahead and switch to different games, and we're gonna keep it going. And then at the end of this video, man, I'm gonna go ahead and reveal which console was which clip, and then that way you guys can see right there or not if you guys were right, or if you was wrong, and if you actually noticed a difference. So if you did, let me know down in the comment section below, and let's go ahead and get to it. All right, so the first game that we got up here, man, that I've been playing, y'all, is one of my favorites, y'all, as you guys know, and that is Spider-Man 2, although Miles Morales is still the GOAT. So looking at both of these clips side by side, I need you guys to tell me which footage is the PS5 Pro and which is the PS5 Slim. I'm gonna go ahead and throw up 30 seconds on the clock, man, and let's go ahead and let the countdown begin. Put the answers down in the comment section below. Let's go. All right, so now that you all probably got that one wrong, because listen, I know it was close, all right? I'm just messing with y'all, man. But the next game that I'm putting head to head that I had to do is that Alan Wake 2. Now, this game right here is a game, I'm gonna be real with y'all, man. I hadn't played this game before until now. And man, let me tell you, man, this game right here, it's so fire, y'all. I'm definitely gonna be finishing this game for sure. Now, let the clock begin. You see the clips up on the screen, and put your answers down in the comments. All right, okay, I see y'all, man, getting y'all answers in down in the comments. But I bet you, man, the next one right here, I guarantee you, this one right here is gonna mess y'all up, man, because I even had a hard time with this one when I was editing this video right here, y'all, and that is Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart, y'all. This game looks so damn good on all of these consoles right here, but I need y'all help, man. I need you to let me know which one is the PS5 Pro and which one is the PS5 Slim. Let's go. Now, this next one right here, y'all, is one of my favorite. And I'm talking one of my favorite games that I've ever played, y'all. And that is Last of Us 2. Now, this is the remastered edition. This game right here, y'all, is a cinematic freaking masterpiece. So, you know, I had to have it included in this video right here. Now, I can tell you right now, this one right here is probably going to be a tough one for y'all. I'm just got to call it how I see it, all right? Here you go, man. Let the answers flood into the comments. Let's go. Now, the next one that I had to throw in here, man, is a sports game. Y'all know I had to throw some type of sports game in here. And I was like, you know what, CKid, what better one to throw in here than that new NCAA college football and represent for my Michigan Wolverine squad. I know we ain't having the best season, but hey, it is what it is, all right? Now, I need y'all to don't laugh at none of my gameplay in here because I was out here getting my ass kicked. But listen, it's all good. I just need y'all to let me know which one is the PS5 Pro and which one is the PS5 Slim. Let's go. Now, I ain't even looked in the comments yet, and I already know y'all probably got that one wrong. Now, listen, this next one right here, y'all, I had to throw in there some Call of Duty Black Ops 6 because, listen, y'all already know, man, I love me some Call of Duty, man. Because this is one of my favorite games, man, I don't need y'all to let me down on this one, all right? Let me know which one is the PS5 Slim and which one is the PS5 Pro. Let's go. Now, to be fair, I do realize that the new update for the PS5 Pro hasn't came out with the Black Ops 6 just yet, but I'm going to let y'all know when that does. All right, now the next one we got to move on to is a new game that I've actually kind of got introduced to, and that's Demon's Soul, man. This was a game I wasn't really sure if I was actually going to like as much as I did, but once I started, boy, that game is fire. All right, so Demon's Souls, y'all, I'm telling y'all, it's another sleeper. Definitely go check it out, and I had to add it to this blind test list. Can you spot which one is the PS5 Pro and which one is the PS5 Slim? Let's go. All right, now this last one right here that I'm throwing up here on the screen, and the reason why I say this one for last, because listen, man, it's my second favorite game of all time, next to Zelda Ocarina of Time. You guys already know Zelda is the GOAT, all right? And that is the God of War Ragnarok game, man. This game right here is probably one of the best games ever. Cinematically, it's just a masterpiece, man. And I had to add it to the blind test showdown here. Now, I'm gonna be honest with y'all on this one. This one right here probably was one of the easier ones to actually spot which console was which, because I feel like they did a good job when it came to the Pro. But I'm gonna let y'all, I ain't gonna give y'all no clues. Y'all just go ahead and check it out for yourself, man. Which one is the PS5 Pro and which one is the Slim? And don't be cheating either. All right, so now that you guys got all of your votes in and all of that, man, on which gaming clip was which between the PS5 Slim here as well as the PS5 Pro, now it's time to go ahead and go back through all of these clips here real quick, man, and tell you guys and reveal which console was which. Now, let's go ahead and start with Spider-Man 2. Now, the clip on the left right here is the PS5 Pro, and then the clip on the right is the PS5 Slim. Now, let me know. Did y'all get it right? Now, don't be lying down in them comments, all right? Now, the next one that I had to add to the blind test list here, and that is Alan Wake 2 that I put right up here on the screen. Again, dope-ass game. Y'all highly recommend you check it out. Now, I had the PS5 Pro on the right side of this one, and I had the PS5 Slim on the left side of this one. So let me know, man, down in the comments, did you get it right? Because listen, I know this one was a tricky one. I can't front, but hey, Let me know if you got it right or not. Now this next one here, man, I'm gonna be real with y'all, was probably one of the toughest ones to figure out which console was which, and that was the Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart test, man. Now this one right here, I had on the left hand side, I had the PS5 Slim, and then on the right side, I had the PS5 Pro. Now be honest with me, y'all, don't lie, you know? Which one of y'all got that right or not? Like, and don't be lying down in the comments because I'm gonna know, because I'm gonna be checking y'all earlier comments too. All right, y'all, so moving right along, man, to one of my favorite games that I've ever played, y'all, and that is Last of Us Part 2. Now, this is the remastered edition. Now, this is another one, man, that I felt like was probably one of the hardest ones to try to figure out. With this one, I had the PS5 Pro on the left side of this one and had the PS5 Slim on the right side. Now, I know, this one was a hard one to figure out. But I need y'all to let me know. Did you get it right or not, all right? All right, so let's go ahead and bring back up this trash football that I was playing here, man. This is the NCAA college football game, and see if you guys picked the right one or not. So on the left-hand side of this one, I had the PS5 Slim, and then on the right-hand side, I had the PS5 Pro. This game right here, man, I can't front. It looks so damn good on both of these consoles, so I already know this one was probably one a lot of you guys probably got wrong. But again, just let me know. All right, now the next one, y'all already know what time it is. It's Call of Duty season, baby. And although we still waiting on that PS5 Pro enhanced update for this one that they did promise, I decided to go ahead and throw this one in the mix anyway. But here's the results, man. The PS5 Slim was actually on the left side, and the PS5 Pro I had on the right side. So let me know down in the comments again if you guys got it right. I might end up probably re-adding this one to do maybe like an update or a part 2 of this one, because I want you guys to also let me know what are some of the games that you guys would like me to add in a part 2 gaming blind test between these consoles right here. So comment down below some of your best games and favorite games you want me to check out. All right, now the second to last one was actually recommended by one of you guys, man, and that was Demon's Soul. And like I said, this game, bro, this game is actually dope, man. But the question is, were you able to actually pick the right one or not without skipping all the way to the end of this video to cheat, all right? With this one right here, man, I had the PS5 Pro on the left side and I had the PS5 Slim on the right side. Whew! I know, man. I know, y'all. This one was tough, all right? Because they both look good on both consoles, but there was small things. If you looked at it, you could tell which one's the Pro. And last but not least, man, listen, y'all, we always got to say the best for last, man, and that is God of War Ragnarok. And let's just go ahead and jump right into it because some games in itself just need no introduction, all right? So I'm going to throw the clips up here on the screen. On the left-hand side, I actually had the PS5 Slim, and on the right-hand side, man, I had the PS5 Pro. Now, let me know. Did you guys get my game right or not, all right? And don't be lying on me down in the comments, all right? Because this is my top 2 game of all time, all right? Now, the reason why I did this video right here, besides just want to have a little fun, man, but I did it for 4 different reasons, right? The first reason why I did it was because I didn't see anybody necessarily giving you guys a chance to see what the quality looks like without telling you what it is first, right? Because I feel like in that space, you're already prejudging the other consoles, and there could possibly be a placebo effect or just kind of one of those things where you're more so influenced. Now, the second reason I wanted to do this was simply because I wanted to just showcase the difference of what the PS5 Pro can actually offer in quality and just how good it is when it comes to the upgrades that they made with the PSSR as well as the Pro Enhanced feature. Now, number 3, I wanted to go ahead and showcase just how splitting hairs and how hard you have to look at some and pinch to zoom and all of these different things to determine which console is which. And number 4, man, I wanted to also showcase to you guys, man, that no matter what system you guys are on, whether it's the OG PS5, the PS5 Slim, or the PS5 Pro, for the price of what we're paying for with these consoles, in comparison to something like a PC, it's a damn good console, man, and just piece of hardware as well as software. And I get it, man. I know a lot of people complain about that $700 price point when it comes to the PS5 Pro. And I'm not trying to say that the Pro here is perfect, because it's not, y'all. And you can check out my video right up here, man, where I broke down every single thing that needs to be fixed and updated when it comes to the PS5 Pro here to make us feel like we have a Pro console. But I say it is worth the price for what we actually are getting in comparison to other pieces of hardware, all right? And what's even better, man, that I was thinking about is PSSR, man, this is just the beginning of what we're going to be getting with the PlayStation going forward. Like, I'm looking forward to whatever the PS6 is going to be bringing to the table because, listen, man, honestly, the bar with this has actually been set pretty high, in my opinion, and I'm just ready for it, y'all. Also, last thing, I did want to clear up something from my last video that I talked about right up here. I want to talk about the Wi-Fi system out of here, all right? Now, I will be honest with y'all, I didn't have my 5 gigahertz or my 6 gigahertz option selected from the networking menu, but to me, I'm actually not sure why they actually have this as a feature, because if I tell the system in itself to connect to my 5 gigahertz or my 6 gigahertz SSID, then why do I still need to manually go into the console and then tell it to switch it to either 5 or 6 gigahertz connection? Shouldn't it just get that from the Wi-Fi band that I chose to connect it to? Either way, man, now I'm actually getting around, averaging about 500 gigabytes per second, which is actually pretty solid over Wi-Fi, I can't lie. But just wanted to go ahead and clear that up, man. That's about it, man. Next, we are actually going to be doing the exact same video that we just did, but I'm going to be putting the PS5 Pro up against my $5,000 gaming PC build that has an NVIDIA 4080 Super in it, man, and see if you guys can actually notice the difference. Thanks again for watching, man. Hit that like button, man, if you guys enjoyed the content, as well as if you're new here, click on that subscribe button and join the family. And if you guys want to become a member of the squad, all you guys got to do is click on that join button down below, as well as, man, come and hang out with your boy over on the live streams every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, starting at 6:30 Central Standard Time. See y'all in the next one, man. Happy gaming, squad. We out.